Are you dreaming about writing a book? Writing and publishing your book has become easy, really. Loads of speakers and coaches already claim authorship, even being a best-selling author, but very few have strategically planned why they wrote their book and what they're actually going to do with it after it's published. On the one hand, you might be stuck in the struggle of what to write and where to find the time to write. And on the other hand, there's the already published expert who quickly realizes after their book launch that they have no idea of how to use their book, how to make their book pay. I'm Sigrid de Kaste. Now, I've been in marketing since the days where we used physical scissors and glue for cut and paste. And after buying and for high profit selling my own businesses, I started my marketing agency, Sticky Big Marketing, and I discovered fast from personally writing 3 books, each one for a different part or a different one of my businesses, that the missing ingredient for every author who's come to me is strategy. And that is why I developed my customized book optimization system, guiding you through 3 streamlined steps: the writing, the publishing, and the marketing of your business book. Just imagine writing your book right now, and you could be reaping real benefits from your authorship, such as credibility, wider recognition, validation, and with a strategy, your book sells your services in a way that brings clients to you, already convinced you are the expert they need and they are ready to buy. Using my system, your book chapters share your core expertise, and because you know your subject matter, your book practically sells itself. I walk you through the writing and the straightforward publishing process and your marketing plan, which is essentially already predetermined because you want to get your book of your core expertise in front of your potential ideal client. If that is what you want to do, let's connect.